How does the Earth spin? Hey, smart little explorers. Today we're zooming into space to discover something that sounds simple, but is super cool. Is the Earth spinning? How does it spin? Are we flying in circles without even knowing it? Let's awaken our curiosity and find out. Look around. Everything's still. You're sitting, the cup isn't moving, the chair's quiet. The Earth is spinning? Then why don't we feel anything? Is it spinning super slowly, like a fan on low? Or so fast that we can't even notice? What a mystery. Actually, the Earth spins around itself. It's called a rotation, just like when you spin a top. But Earth spins much smoother, slower, and it's a gazillion times bigger. One full spin of Earth takes 24 hours. That's exactly one day. Waking up, going to school, playing, eating dinner, and going to sleep, all in one smooth spin. When the side of Earth we live on faces the sun, it's daytime. When it turns away, it gets dark. That's how we get day and night. Pretty logical, right? Earth also spins around the sun. One full orbit takes 365 days. That's 1 year. That's how we get spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Earth never stops spinning. Even when you're eating, sleeping, or jumping like a silly monkey, our Earth just keeps turning quietly. So sweet, right? You did great, little one. Now you know why we have day and night and the seasons, too. Earth isn't just a planet. It's a loyal friend who spins around with you every single day. That's the end of today's adventure. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe so you can see more of Earth in the next ones. Bye!